I'm back again with another video. And in today's video, para maiba naman, i-share ko sa inyo yung song playlist ko. I mean, my playlist, yung mga favorite songs ko, yung mga lit sa akin. So, pagpasensya nyo na po kung ganyan yung eye makeup look ko. Kasi, dapat talaga mag-false eyelashes ako. Kaso, hindi nga natuloy dahil nawala yung isang pair. So, ang pangit naman kung yung isa naka-false eyelashes and then yung isa wala, diba? Eh, last pair ko na din yun. So, ayun, sana okay lang naman. Ayan, lately ko na lang na-realize na nawawala pala yung isang pilik mata ko, yung false eyelashes ko. So, ayun, without further ado, let's start sa mga favorite songs ko. So, itong next song na to, sobrang favorite ko. As in, so, super favorite ko siya ngayon. Kasi si Alicia Cara is favorite na favorite ko and kasama siya dito sa kantang to.
I don't wanna be alive. I don't wanna be alive. I just wanna die today. Let me tell you why. All this other shit I'm talking about, they think they know it. I've been praying for somebody to save me. No one to go with. My life don't even matter. I know it, I know it, I know it.
What you looking for, find what you're looking for. You will find what you're looking for, find what you're looking for.
Isa din to sa pinaka-favorite ko ngayon. As in, pinaka-favorite.
I don't care about boys. Ain't nobody taking my baby. I wanna be clear. I'm staying right here. Ain't nobody taking my baby. Your heart weighs and sometimes we go.
Di ko alam yung lyrics.
I messed up, but you mess up too. The way you answer makes me question you.
Ito yung title nito, Marmalade. May naalala ko sa Marmalade. Yung Kichi-Kichi yung gano'n. Yun yung naisip ko sa title. Bago ko lang nalaman to, hindi ko pa masyado alam lyrics. Pero sinali ko na siya sa favorites ko kasi ang ganda ng beat niya.
Look at the way that I'm shining. I don't be checking the mileage. She said, how much is that rolling? I said, don't worry, I'm timeless. Watching Toy Story. Turns off, I can't see my face. I'll be right through town, town, town. I'll be right through town, town, town. I'll be right through town. All eyes on me now. I'll be right. Because I'm 18 and I still live with my parents, yeah, then I like yours. Well, yours are more understanding. I never fell in love. I save those feelings for you.
Okay guys, so tapos na ako magbaliw-baliwan. Napakita ko na din sa inyo or naparinig ko na sa inyo yung mga favorite songs ko. Bali, gumawa din ako ng playlist dun sa mga favorite songs ko kung gusto niyo silang marinig. Ayun, pagsasama-sama ko to and yun. Sana nag-enjoy ko yun. Sana pagpasensya niyo yung kabaliwan ko. Pag lit songs yung pinag-uusapan. Kung nagustuhan niyo tong makeup look ko, comment down below para gawan ko siya ng tutorial. Nice and shimmering. Momshi. Pak. Pak. Highlight galore. Pak. 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 Pak! Dito sa mga gumawa ng kantang to, ilalagay ko yung mga link nila down below. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye! Pinakabaliw ko na yata ito na video.